Hi, it's V and you're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today's video is some Bagtoppers and we are into fall, you guys. You will see some fall and Halloween throughout the next a week or two. So stay tuned. I am featuring the large sunflower Bagtopper as well as the small sunflower Bagtopper. So I've already made the large, so you can see here is the large die set for that, and I'm going to show you the small die set for that so you can see the difference in size. Head on over to scrapdivadesigns.com so you can see other shaped Bagtoppers as well as mini albums. So many dies to choose from, and I do have a discount code for you to save 10% throughout the entire website. I'm also using some other dies. This is the pumpkin mini album die. You can find a smaller pumpkin there. I'm also using the shaker plates where you could find some leaves. So the shaker plates come in different shaped leaves, and I will show you that in a bit. My discount code is V10 percentile. That's VEE10 and the percent sign. Here are the different shaped leaves I did die cut out in my unboxing for the month of October, and I will have that video linked below if you'd like to check out the entire release for this month. You would need to cut out two bases, so one for the front, one for the back. As you can see, the front has some gold stitching on it. This is the inner pieces, so you will also need to cut out two for the inner pieces. Here are the two different size sunflowers that you get for each die. Here's the center. You also get a liner for the center, which I am not using. You can use it for a shaker, or you can add the decorative element and more detail if you add the liner on that. This is the information and all the links for scrapdivadesigns.com. Head on over to the description below, check it out, click on it, and you may like something, or you may find other inspiration from other talented crafters. So here I'm just showing you where the smaller pumpkin die came from. And I'm going to start off with a base and glue them together. And I do cut off one of the tabs and that's for the back. So the back is all cut off. I sped it up for you so you don't have to stay through all of the gluing process. So the base is all done. I'm going to start off with the first sunflower die cut in the pink. I'm also using some fun foam from Hobby Lobby, which I've already cut up. I'm going to add that to the back of the first sunflower, and I'm going to glue that down to the base of the Bagtopper. So I just said that I was going to speed it up, but I didn't speed this part up. So you're going to see the entirety of me gluing down foam. So in case you don't know how to glue down foam, here it is, a step-by-step on how to do that. Okay, so I'm going to glue down the other piece, and this is the smaller sunflower that you also get in the die set, and you get two sets for each Bagtopper die set. And there I am gluing them down. I did swap out the colors for the smaller Bagtopper and the large Bagtoppers. You can see the smaller sunflower starts off with the pink and then ends with the green sunflower, and then the larger Bagtopper starts off with the green and ends with the pink sunflower. So I just swapped them out. There is my glittered pumpkin that's a die from the pumpkin mini album. I'm also using some ephemera pieces. The ephemera pieces are from Amazon. I will have that linked below. They were a gift for my son, and I had them stored away for a while, and I'm finally able to use them. So I'm so happy that I'm able to finally use them. And I'm using the word pumpkins, and the other word is fall. And it just went great with this pattern paper that I'm using for Michael's. It is a paper pack. A paper bag by Recollections for Michaels, and I was trying to remember the name of it. However, it just flew past me. I am unable to remember that name, but it was from a while ago, so I picked this up a while ago because I don't do fall, and this is the first year that I'm doing fall, and I'm glad I did it because I just love the colors. I love, well, this colors, the pastels, almost pastels, but yet not. I just love it. So I'm glad I'm able to use up this paper pad. It went well with the ephemera pieces, also went well with the dies, which I'm happy as well. And I'm just adding some leaves here that came in the ephemera pack as well. I did do some stitching in the centers of all of those leaves, and I'm just going to add them, one on the top corner and the other on the bottom left corner of the Bagtopper. And I thought it went well that way. I also wanted to add some gold sprigs from the ScrapDiva Designs die cuts, but I could not find that die. So I need to organize my dies. My dies are just all over the place in my mini binders, and I really need to organize them by die and theme. And so, yeah, I could not find those sprigs. So, yeah, you could add some sprigs and different type of leaves. You can even add the leaf mini album die cuts to these. Just cut them up and add them to the sides as well. I could have done that as well in gold. That would have looked amazing as well. It would have looked very flashy in some gold glittered cardstock. That would be amazing. This concludes the video, you guys. Here is the inside of the Bagtopper. I just love how they turned out. And be careful with the pattern paper. You may glue it down upside down, so don't do that like I did. So this concludes the video. I'll see you in the next video.